So this is the Adidas NMD backpack in small. I got this directly from Adidas, and yeah, I received this yesterday and I've got it to replace my current tech bag. So this one is a little bit more modern looking. So looking at the exterior of the bag, you've got a small zip pocket on the front, and below that you've got a nice Adidas logo. Now I say nice because some of the other bags that I have seen, the branding is very prominent. This one's quite minimal and I do like that. To the left you've got a carry handle, and this means that you can carry it on its side. You're not restricted to carrying it on your back. Now looking at the top, you've got your main zipped compartment, and the zipper of course does have Adidas branding. Now moving to the back, you've got a main carry handle, and you've also got your main carry shoulder straps with adjustable clips at the bottom. The fabric of this is actually really nice. It's almost like thick canvas. It's really nice fabric. Moving internally, you've got your main compartment, and then you've got another zipped pocket, which is good for added valuables if you want to secure them away. And on the back of that, you've got another pouch, which is for your laptop or iPad devices. So you can put them in there. They are padded, both the panel that you can see and towards the back. You've also got a Velcro clip to secure any device that you do put in the bag as well. So I do believe it will be protected from bumps and knocks, or even drops. The Adidas logo as well, just there, again quite minimal. And yeah, the design overall is really slim. The fabric's really nice. I'm looking forward to filling the bag up. I haven't done that yet, but I will get to it at some point, and I'll put a Twitter photo or video up as well, just to show it when it is filled. So the main reason I put this video up is I couldn't find any other reviews on YouTube or Adidas. So hopefully this will help you decide to buy the bag. It's a really nice bag and I do recommend it. If you enjoy my videos, please do consider subscribing to my channel, hit the notification bell and give the video a big thumbs up. I will see you all in the next video.